Today I'm going to draw some construction, give you some idea about the construction of worksheet. Again I am on the paper worksheet 3. In this very chapter you will find some geometrical construction. Okay, yesterday I have given you a rough idea how to construct the perpendicular bisector or how to construct a perpendicular on a line segment and how to find the equal parts of a given line segment. Today I am going to give the idea of this construction by doing myself. So first what we need a geometry box, as I said you. So here I have geometry box. Try to understand. This is compass, a pencil, eraser, sharpener. This is called divider, and then we must need a ruler, this is protector, this one is ruler. So these very things we have. So first we just insert the pencil is the point. Scale, protector. Now the question is to divide into 6 equal parts. AB is 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB equal to 5 centimeter. This is question number 1 of the worksheet 3. And divide it internally. Your syllabus is internally division into, it's quite long, 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. This is the very first question of the worksheet 3. Okay, what is the chapter? Parallel lines. Chapter is parallel line. So now you just try to observe how I am going to construct this one. Okay, so here is scale. As I said you that first we have to draw a line. So I have drawn a line. Okay, you will see this is the line. Length of the line is given to be 5 centimeters. So I measure it as this one. From 0 to this is 5. Centimeter. Okay, take any here. I am taking here. Make a cut this way and then in opposite direction at this way. So these very 2 points, one is this one A and second one is this one B. AB is the line segment. Now we have to divide it into 6 equal parts. It should be given 12 centimeters, so it should more better. It must be more, but okay, the question is of 5 centimeter. Now in order to draw the equal parts, what I had said, you have to draw 2 equal angles at A and B in the opposite direction. If you draw A at this direction, then you have to draw the angles at B in this way direction. So preferably we are going to take 60 degree. So I am going to take this one as 60 degree, one arc and with the same radius, it is ये जो है 60 का। उसी तरह B का भी कर लेते हैं। पहले यहाँ B पर रखा, ओके, and we have drawn the arc like this one, and then put here the point of intersection of arc and the line, and then cut the previous arc by a single cut, okay. And then this is the point, minutely check it, we draw the arms of the angle. So we have drawn this very much. Line हो गया. Line should be thin. It may be that you are not able to see, but if you go visual on landscape mode or on computer desktop, you will find it better. So I am going to mark this one as, to make it dark, I am going to draw some, okay. So here I am, there is no requirement to you to do this. I am just going to dark it so that you can see. You should not dark. So this angle is what? Of 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. So these two lines are intersected by this transversal, and alternate interior angles are equal. So these two lines are parallel. So our motto is to draw parallel lines at A and B in opposite direction. One ray is here and another is in the opposite direction. So we can make it by simply by using protractor. Now you find here that angle is 60 degree and another angle is also 60 degree. So the lines are parallel. Now in the next part, it is given that you have to divide the line segment AB into 6 equal parts. So first of all, as I said, on the same arc, जैसे ये हमने लिया था, I think, ठीक है ना, यही था. इसी arc से, of the same radii, we cut 6 arcs on this ray. The first one is here, this is first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You just follow the process, what we are doing. I am taking a spread of the needle and pencil, be of any length. It is not necessary this one, but you just take that you can draw 6 equal parts on this ray. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the same radius you do on the next ray, second angles. One is already drawn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the equal intercept. Now here I am again labeling it A1, A2, A3. This point is A3, A2, this is A1, this is A3, A4, sorry, this is A5. No need to put the pen marks on the arms, A6. Also the marking of this must be by pencil. It is just conventional. Write down B1, B2, this point is B2, this is B1, this is B3, this is B4, this is B5, and this is B6. Okay, so again you find, just starting from there, A, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, 7 intercept. B, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. This is A as well as this is B. Okay, what is the next part? Now I am going to draw the lines by using my pen. You should draw by pencil. So first you take the last point on this arm and very first point on this arm, that is A. A with B6. Try to draw the line segment in dotted. There is no need to draw actually. We have to, this is the first part, so this is not necessary. Now next, but you should draw. Next one, this is B5, A1, A1 to B5. Again, draw this one. One more thing, if you are going to draw this line segment by dotted line, make sure that dot one cut must be on the line segment also, AB. Next, A2 with B4. A2 with B4. Dotted line. Make a cut on the line, segment AB. Next, A3 to B3. Cut. फिर A4 to B2. लाइन मिलाते समय बड़े सावधानी से लाइन मिलाएंगे. Make a cut. Why we are going to cut line segment AB? Because we have to divide AB in 6 equal parts. So बाकी डॉट की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट ये दिखाया जाना जरूरी इसलिए है. Why it is necessary to draw the line? That what is the process actually you have made. Okay. केवल हम इसी कट कर लेते हैं, तो पूछा जाता है कि कैसे पाए भाई. तो फॉर दैट वी आर मेकिंग दिस वन. You can draw the full line also like that one, but so here you find that 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part and 6 part. These 6 parts are equal. We have divided there, and you can find how they are equal. So use the divider. Just take this one. Okay, I'm just measuring, and then you will find each parts are equal. Each parts are equal. Each parts are equal. Each parts are equal. And if you go through, since 5 is divided into 6 equal parts, 5 is not divisible by 6. So you are not going to get exact value of the equal parts. Suppose this line segment be 6. This line segment be 6 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter. Certainly we are going to get each equal part as 1 centimeter. If it is 12, then each equal parts are of 2 centimeter. So this is what the construction of division of a line segment internally in some given equal parts. Here we have done in 6 equal parts, dividing a line segment of length 5 centimeter. Now again in the next question, the length of the line segment is 6.4 and you have to divide 4 equal parts. And what you have to here measure the length of the each part. 6.4 is going to be divided into 4 equal parts. Certainly each equal parts must be equal to 1.6 centimeter. So whatever you are doing in the same process, you have to take AB at 6.4 centimeter, draw parallel lines at A and B in the opposite direction, and the easy method to draw 60 degree. Make sure that these two 60 degree are equal. So use protractor to find the equality of the angles, Angles must be equal, whether it is 60 or not doesn't matter. It may be 50 degree, it may be, so it also be 50 degree. It is 40 degree, then it will also be 40 degree. If it is 90, then it should be 90 degree. Okay. And then since the line segment is divided to be 4 equal parts, so cut 4 A1, A2, A3 up to A4. B1, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now B4 to A, तो इसको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बांटेंगे और उस समय जो मेजरमेंट आएगा वो 1.6 सेंटीमीटर होगा. Here you have to measure it. इसमें इसलिए नहीं दिया कि 5 जो है वो 6 से आप डिवाइड करोगे, you will get 0.5820. 20 is 3, 3, 3 repeating, non-terminating and repeating. So how can you find that exact value of? So it should be 0.8 and between 0.9. So there is no need to find the exact length of the. Next part I am going to. So I think you have understand how can you draw this line segment. Next part I am going to take the question. Third question. What is the third question? Third question is, draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Divide it internally in the ratio, not equal parts, in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Then next, what is the length of each part? Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to draw a line segment. First you have to draw a line, then take parts 5.5 centimeter as I have given in the first question. Then again draw the equal angles, means parallel lines. How? I am going to make 60 degree again. लाइन हमने पहले ड्रॉ कर दिया, मतलब समझिए आप 60 डिग्री बनाना है. Now here 2:3. So 2 and plus 3 equal to 5. Internal division 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the same process should be done by using 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And same B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay. 2 is 2. First one is 2. So 1, 2. This is 2. From here, from A it is third point. So from this it is third point. So join these two. Only join these two. Actually, if you are going to join all the parts, suppose. So we have divided 5 equal parts. But we are not asked to find the 5 equal parts. We are asked to divide it in 2:3. So what you have to take? Since there are 5 equal parts, so we have to take 2 parts and 3 parts. So we join the second part of here and from here third part. So A2 and B3 when joined, the point of intersection is P, and this gives you that AP is to PB. AP is to PB is 2:3. And since line is AB of 5.5 divided into 5 equal parts, each part will be equal to 1.1 centimeter. So 2 part is, so AP must be 2.2 centimeter and PB must be 3.3 centimeter. Mind it, using ratio and proportion. This is algebraic finding, but you have to find using geometric. So you have to measure the length of AP, and mathematically it should be 2.2 centimeter. If it is 2.2 centimeter, then you have done the correct construction. If it is not 2.2, then there is some sort of mistakes. Okay, 2.1, 2.2, just around 2.2, it's okay. Again we have to do some more concentrated geometrical construction, so that there is no mistake, no error. So this I am going to draw on the paper. Okay, you will find the solution and observe it carefully. Here I am using the same paper. You just bear with me. Just I am drawing the construction as like this one. I have drawn a line. Then the length should be 5.5. This is rough idea. 5.5. Here I will cut this one. This one. So this is A, this is B, and length of this 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to divide this line segment into 2:2. So this is AB, 5.5 centimeter. Now next, again we have to draw the same process like parallel lines. So I have taken this one. You find the radius of this arc be more than the previous one. Okay. This is. Then draw the arm. I am going to use pen. You should use pencil only. Okay. So 5 equal parts moving towards the first construction में हम लोग घुस गए उसका part. Okay, it doesn't matter. These two are parallel lines. Now ratio is 2.3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Divide 5 equal parts on this one, 5 equal parts on this one. Now here the length of this arc be some greater, so doesn't matter. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, and 5 part. One thing, in the ratio there is no need to draw the 5 parts. On the first term you should draw 2. But again, the concept, what concept is going to use here, you will not going to find it. So here I have taken 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. Okay. So here this is A1, A2, A3, this is A4, and this is A5. This point is A5. And the same one, 5 equal parts on the these. But you can ask, sir, what are we doing at this moment, dividing the line segment into equal parts? This is also not given in this very chapter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next one is, you will find there's some difficulty. The next one is the last one. So this is the internal division B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. And then you join one by one. But I preferably said that you have to divide into 2 into 3. So if you are going to divide it 5 equal parts, the first 2 part gives you 2 and next 3 part is 3. 2 is to 3. So what we are going to do, The last one should be joined with the A. Okay, so this, okay, I'm just marking this one. Second with second, यानी कि second with this second, second with second. Okay, now I am not going to divide the whole part. Third with third. Okay, this line I am going to draw. Again, this is, so cut apart. Again, cut apart, and last one is this one. You cut apart. There is no need. So what do you find? We have divided. I was not drawing the whole line as we have drawn in this one. So what we have done in the second, we have drawn the line. So here is 2, 1 part, 2 part, then 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Here is, you will find the 2 parts. Here you find the same line segment into 3 equal parts. So the whole, let the name of this point be P. So what do you find? That AP is 2 equal parts, BP is 3 equal parts. Okay, so P is the point. P is the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Now if you are going to measure it by divider or using ruler, you will find the length of what I have said, that should be 2.2. So yes, we are going to get 2.2 exactly, and from here PB is 3.3. You will find 3.3. So we have done. So measurement of AP is 2.2 centimeter and BP is 3.3 centimeter. Question is not going to harm. You have to find the length of each part. So the third part of the answer is this one, and construction is this one. Actually, proof of this construction, if required, it is in class 10. This construction is also coming in class 10, and this concept is on similarity of triangles. This construction is on BPT. Let's say if there are several parallel lines, and the concept is, if 3 parallel lines are given, and if these 3 parallel lines make equal intercept of a transversal, like this line segment is equal to this line segment, then these 3 parallel lines make equal intercept on any other transversal. If you draw this or draw this or draw this, so line segments, they are equally divided, and that very concept is used in this one. What we have done, these two are parallel lines and they make equal intercept on, these are what? These are parallel lines, and this is a transversal, and all these intercepts are equal. So this this intercept is also equal. So this intercept on the third transversal must be equal. This is the concept used actually. And on the same way, we have drawn all these. So actually हम जब पूरा line draw करते हैं तो 5 equal parts on this very concept, and now taking first 2 parts here from A and last 3 parts from P to B, we get that P is the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:3 on this very concept. And this you can do this problem by using only, if it is given 2:3, no need to find their sum. You just draw from A on this arm on 2 equal parts, and on this arm the last second 3 equal parts, and join A2 with B3. You will get the point. But you may be asked what concept you are going to use. What concept you had used here? This is similarity. In similar triangles, What is the difference between congruence? You have studied in class 7 congruence of triangles. In congruence triangles, each sides of the triangles are equal, each angles are equal. Here, in a similar triangle, angles are equal, but sides are proportional. These two sides are in the ratio 2:3. ये दो इक्वल पार्ट और उसी लेंथ का ये 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स है, 2:3. So this is also 2:3. So this is the next step, higher level, 2 years after, in future, if the same syllabus will exist up to 2022, you will get this very concept. Okay, so this is what the construction of two questions 1 and 3. One is dividing a line segment into some given parts. Here we have divided the line segment into 6 equal parts, and the third question divide a line segment in some ratio. Here we have divided 2:3 ratio. Then rest questions are 4. Again you have to divide the given line segment into 3:4 line segment. AP is to PB 1:3 segment again. Here the questions, statement of the questions, third and fourth, draw a line segment and divide it internally in the ratio 2:3 or 3:4. Fifth question, the language is changed. What is the language? You have seen, language is draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm. Find a point on it such that AP is to PB equal to 1:3. Divide नहीं लिखा कि find a point. How can you find the point? Just by using division geometrically. अब 1:3 algebraically मेजर करके नहीं करना कि सर हम मेजर कर लेते हैं, लेट द पार्ट्स बी x एंड 3x, तो x + 3x = 7, सो x की वैल्यू निकाल लिया, 1x की वैल्यू निकाल दिया, 3x की वैल्यू निकाल लिया, मेजर करके p निकाल दिया. That is algebraic, not geometrical division. Okay, so again the same question you have to divide as I has done in the question number 3. Now draw a line segment of given length. कोई भी given length का इसे जनरल कंस्ट्रक्शन है, divide it into 4 equal parts. You can do it as question number 1. Draw a line segment AB. Here AP equal to 2/3 BP. Just cross multiplication, just transpose PB on the left hand side, so you will get AP by PB is 2/3. Yani AP is to PB is 2:3. Again the same question of as in question number 3. Question number 3 is restated like this one. Same question. Here you have to find 5.5 cm divided into 2:3. Here AB is also 5.5 cm and AP by PB. हमने अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी वही निकाला ना, AP by PB 2 and 3, तो 2/3. So same question is this one, question number 7. Draw a line segment AB 6 cm, divide AQ equal to 2 find a point Q such that AQ is equal to 2/5 of QB. If you transpose QB on that side, it is multiplication, here it divides. So AQ by QB is 2/5. AQ is to QB is 2:5. So ratio is 2:5. So on the same process, you go for that one. Take 2 equal parts on this arm and 5 equal parts on this arm, and join A2 with B5. You will get 2:5. Or you just 2 + 5 7 equal parts on this arm, 7 equal parts on this arm, and rest part as usual जैसे I has done, जैसे हमने किया कि केवल कट कर लेंगे, केवल जैसे 2:5 था तो ये A2 को जब हम B5 से मिलाने जाएंगे तो उस लाइन को थोड़ा ज़्यादा ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, बाकी को केवल डॉट 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 से देंगे और समझा देंगे कि इधर 2 पार्ट है, इधर 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स है, तो लाइन सेगमेंट एंड this point be given as Q, so AQ is to QB is 5 cm. This is what the worksheet 3. I have done 2 and try to explain the how can you draw the others. So I hope you can do the construction by yourself with the help of the geometrical box. And now we are moving in the next part, that is brain teaser as well as some hearts or some other questions. So I think you have observed the worksheet 3 in your PDF file. I'm just going through the brain teaser. The first part of the brain teaser be multiple choice question. Here is the first, take the correct answer. Now question is, a transversal intersect two lines, which condition would always make the two lines parallel? When a transversal intersect two parallel lines, out of these four, which condition is quite correctly defined? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles में only two lines are required. When two lines intersect each other, their vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is not the condition. You will see here the point, but you just find the explanation. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are complementary. Now complementary means, complementary is the sum of angles be 90 degree. Interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, then this is the condition. So this is again, alternate interior angles are equal. Yes, when lines are parallel and they are intersected by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. So this option is correct. Corresponding angles are supplementary. No, corresponding angles also be equal. So this is again incorrect. What is the next question? Next question, you will find a figure. You will find a figure that does go for a close look. Here all the lines supposed to be parallel, but no, you have to find out which two lines are parallel. Whether A is parallel to B, and just see, you have seen here, this line is A and this is B, this is C, this line is D, this line is E. कह रहा है कि ऑप्शन आर ए इज पैरेलल टू बी, ये करेक्ट है या नहीं? ए इज पैरेलल टू बी और ए इज पैरेलल टू सी और बी इज पैरेलल टू सी और डी इज पैरेलल टू, ये कौन से करेक्ट है? ओके, आई जस्ट फाइंड दैट इफ इट इज 120, देन लीनियर पेयर से ये एंगल 60 का होगा एंड ये 60 का होगा, ये ऑलरेडी 60 दिया है. सो वी फाइंड दैट if these D and E are intersected by a transversal B, the alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Or you can simply go for this one. ये 60, तो कहेंगे corresponding angles are equal, so lines are parallel. तो D is parallel to is correct. 110 से यहाँ 70 निकलेगा. 70 is not equal to 60, यानी alternate interior angles are not equal, so A is not parallel to B. 60, so this vertically opposite angle is 60. 60 plus 115 degree is 175 degrees. So co-interior angles are not supplementary. So this is also not parallel. And these two, for A and C, you will find we have corresponding angles, but they are not equal. This is 110, this is 115. So again, corresponding angles are not equal, so A is not parallel to C. So what is the parallel? Only D is parallel to E. The fourth option is correct. What about the third one? Again, you just look the figure. Question is, in the given figure, transversal TU intersect PQ and RS at V and W respectively, for which value of X PQ is parallel to X. Here X is given at two angles, 5X minus 22 and 3X plus 10. You will find these two angles are corresponding. These two angles are corresponding, and if the lines PQ and RS are going to be parallel, corresponding angle must be equal. So what we make? We make these two angles must be equal. 5X minus 22 is equal to 3X plus 10. And objective, 5X minus 22, 3X plus 10, 3X को इधर लाया, 5X minus 3X, 2X हो गया, minus 22 को उधर लेगा तो 10 plus 22, that is 32 हो गया, 2X equal to 32, so X is equal to 16. So 16 is the answer. फटाफट mental calculation, computation strong होना चाहिए मैथ्स में बेटा. Now the Peach Street and Cherry Street are parallel. दिया हुआ है, स्ट्रीट का नाम दे दिया कि ये स्ट्रीट पीच स्ट्रीट है, ये स्ट्रीट चेरी स्ट्रीट है ना. हमारे यहाँ हम लोग ये प्रोजेक्ट में कोई भी पैरेलल स्ट्रीट नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है ना. एंड these two streets are intersected by Apple Street, and we have two angles. One angle is 1, one angle is 2. They are marked as 1 and 2. Now given question, the measurement of angle 1 is 2x plus 36, and this is 7x minus 9 degree. and lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Okay. So what condition you are going to find कि measurement of A1 क्या होगा? Okay, I don't know what measurement of 1 is, but what happen if the lines are parallel? 1 तो हमें ये मिलना चाहिए, एंगल नहीं है, तो अब इसको 180 से हम 7x - 9 घटाएंगे, थोड़ा सा क्वाइट लेंदी हो जाएगा, या फिर 1 के इधर भी करेंगे तो, बट वी नो द वर्टिकली अपोजिट, ये एंगल 1 के बराबर होगा, मतलब ये this angle is 2x + 36 and second angle is 7x - 9. What do we know about the interior angles on the same side of transversal? Their sum must be 180. So if we add these two angles, the value of these two angles must be 90 degree. So I am going to add 2x + 7x 9x, 36 - 9 is 27. So 9x + 27 is 180. 9x + 27 is 180. 27 को ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. 180 - 27 is 180 - 27 is I think 153. Yes, it is 153. 9x is equal to 153, so x is equal to 153 by 9. And 153 by 9 is nothing but 17. You can find. So the value of x is 17. So 1, you are required to find the measure of angle 1. 17 2s are 34 plus 36 is 70. So the answer is 4, 70 degree. Measure of this angle is 70 degree. What about measure of this angle? 110. क्या निकाला हमने इसका? 17. 17 7 जा 119. 119 minus 9 is 110. So this is the fourth question of the multiple choice question. Now the last one. Again you find the figure. In the diagram given below, two lines N and M cut by a transversal. PN दो लाइन से कट हो रहा है, हालांकि एक लाइन जो है एक ही पॉइंट पे मीट कर रहा है दोनों लाइन. What value of x would make the line N and M parallel? Okay. These two are N and M and they are intersected by two transversal. The measurement, this very angle is 80 degree, this is 30 degree and this is x degree. कह रहा है कि x की क्या वैल्यू हो कि ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हो जाए. 80 then this is 80, vertically opposite. And then you will find these very angle, ये जो एंगल हो जाएगा वो 30 + 80 110. 110 plus x must be 180. Sum of co-interior angles be 180 or co-interior angles are supplementary. So this is 30 plus 80, 110 plus x is 180. So x is 70 degree. X is 70 degree. So this is the option number 3 answer. Correct answer is option number 3. So this is multiple choice questions I have just gone through. मैंने कहीं बनाया नहीं, बट मैंने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया है समझा के, और आप बड़े आराम से उसको लिख सकते हो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अपनी कॉपी में, जो भी कॉपी आप यूज़ कर रहे हो. अगर मार्केट से आपको बुक, जैसे सुन रहे हैं कि कुछ दुकानें खुल रही हैं, नहीं भी खुल रही तो आप पुरानी कॉपी में उसको बनाइए, है ना, अपना नोट्स तैयार कीजिए. टाइम इज़ गोइंग ऑन and if there is no cut of the syllabus for your annual examination or half yearly examination, whatever, whenever it will come, then you have to be a very very hasty program. You have to work hard. So just try to start your work hard. I'm trying my best, whatever. And now we have left 1 2 3 4, some questions are there. You can find not many more. You can do it and try to do it. I'm trying today. We have done some questions, not more, 2 construction and some objective. In the next video you will find some more solutions. I hope before I'm giving you the next video, you will respond with a very positive manner that all of you have done worksheet 3 completely. Thank you very much.